Hi, hi, hi. So there was a course on the Harvard University website, and it was by a Professor Shell, I believe, and it was about what is success. And I was like, a course called What is Success? Like, why do you need a course on what is success? Like, it's pretty evident what success is. There's a universal standard for it, as far as I think. But I have, after going through that course, I did take that course. After going through that course, I realized that actually success is different for everybody. And the biggest enemy of success is, of all the enemies, it's the comfort zone. It's where people become comfortable and they do not want to change. Even knowing that the change can be positive, but they're so much in their comfortable zone that they really do not want to change. Then the second enemy of success is the path of least resistance. So they're trying to get somewhere, they're trying to achieve success, but instead of working hard for it, they're trying to find an easier way to success. Like the path of least resistance, like finding a shortcut. कि life में कोई shortcut मिल जाए. I think, trying to look for a shortcut is like a universal thing in which a lot of people, I remember, many times Papa and Mom, hi Mom.
Hey mom, how are you?
I remember them talking about it, that, this person is always looking for shortcuts. So a person who's always looking for shortcuts becomes famous as a person who's always looking for shortcuts. And on the journey to success has no shortcuts. You have to go through the whole process. So comfort zone, being in the comfort zone, being too comfortable is one enemy of, success. The reluctance to change, even if that change is going to be positive. That is the second enemy of success. And the third enemy of success is trying to find the path of least resistance, in which you are looking for like an easy way to get where you actually want to get. And that's all from our Gyan of the moment. What are your thoughts?
Very pretty. And first of all, you said have the intention to change. And then that's when the hard work starts, is once you've had the intention and then you go on that path and you have more resistance, more and more resistance from things you didn't even contemplate. Setting up this show, I mean, the kind of resistance we've had every day.
Resistance.
The microphone messing up, the mono, the stereo, the everything, camera quality. So I think first is the intention. And
the hair.
To make, and yeah.
That's also resistance.
So I think intention is so important in anything, to live with intention, and to, anything you do. If you're going to drink a glass of water, just try to say, I'm doing this with intent. We can start with, small things like that. But yeah, once the intention is done, then comes the hard work, basically.
Yeah.
It's like how, you see graduation and you see all the kids, throwing up their hats in the air and rejoicing. And then their parents are thinking, dude, you've just passed the easiest phase of your life. This is where the real work starts.
Right. I totally agree with that.